So now we are going to talk about deletion operation on lists. So Python provides operator for deleting or removing an item from list. So this can be done by pop function, a remove function, or a delete function. So now we are going to talk about pop function. So it removes the element from the specified index and also returns the element which was removed. So for example, now I am going to take list 1 with these elements. So now if I try to remove the element at index 2, so A equal to list 1 dot pop 2. Now if I print L1, if I print list 1, yeah, the element at index position 2 got deleted. So here the second statement is nothing but here the element deleted will be returned to A. So if I try to print A, yeah, so it's telling that number 3 got deleted, which is present at the index position 2. So now we are going to talk about remove function. So remove function is used when we know the element to be deleted, not the index of the element. So at that time we can use this remove function. So now I'm taking this list. So here I just want to remove number 4. So for that purpose I can directly give it as list 1 dot remove 4. So now if I try to print list 1, then yeah, I'm getting the rest of the elements other than 4. So another method to delete an element from a list is del method. So del statement removes the specified element from the list but does not return the deleted value. So this is the basic difference, because in pop function it will return the deleted value, but whereas in this del function it will not return the deleted value. So it will just return the rest of the elements. So now let us take an example. Here I am taking this list. So now if I am going to delete del list 1 3. So I am going to delete an element which is present at the index number 3. So now if I try to print list 1, yeah, I am getting rest of the elements. So now what will happen if I try to delete an element which is not in that range? So if suppose if I'm giving 5, which is not in the range, yeah, I'm getting a index error. So list assignment index out of range. So now we can also use this del function with slicing. So if suppose here is a list 67, 89, 98. So here is a list. If suppose if I try to delete list 1 using slicing operator, I am deleting 2 to 4. Here now if I try to print list 1, so now the above del statement shall remove second and third element from the list and it prints all the rest of the elements. So this is all about list, and this is all about the operations that we perform on list. So from next video onwards we will be talking about tuples and dictionary.